Hi there! Let's go over the chord progressions you will need to know for level 4 of Student Day. I've got the packet right here in front of me if you want to reference it. For Student Day, you will need to know the 1, 4, 5, 1 chord progression in major and minor keys. So the 3 major keys are listed here, the 3 minor keys are listed here. The biggest thing that's different from what we've done before is that your left hand is in charge of just playing the root of the chord, the chord, the letter for which the chord is named. So for your 1 in the key of B, you're literally playing just a 1. So your left hand can kind of hang out in a 5-finger pattern. It doesn't really have to move. Meanwhile, your right hand, I prefer to go ahead and do it's called the common tone voicing here. So what we're doing is if there's a note that's the same in 2 chords, we're going to use that same note rather than playing everything in root position. We're going to use the inversions because then you don't have to move around as much. So you're going to slide the top 2 notes up for your 4 chord and then play the second note and slide that thumb down a half step. So all the major keys are going to feel just like that. The minor keys are going to feel a little different. Let's talk about D minor. Top 2 notes slide up. Remember the key signature, right? So that's going to be a minor chord. And back. So your 5-finger pattern is kind of your basis here, right? So I know I need that note, and this is just a half step up in minor, and then half step down in minor. Meanwhile, in major, the top note is a whole step higher, and that bottom one's a half step lower. So in minor, they're both half steps. In major, the bottom is a half step, the top is a whole step. And then the middle notes, you're just using the ones from the 5-finger pattern. So as long as you know those, you're good to go. And that is your chord progressions.